Hi everyone, right now we're going to do week 1, worksheet 3 for social studies, local government, municipality. So remember, the first thing we're going to do before we start reading this is we're going to label all of our paragraphs. So here Miss Sloger goes. I've got P1, I've got P2, and I've got P3. So this is set up just like our article sort of was yesterday, where we have a bunch to read, and then we have some questions, and then there's a fun word search at the bottom. So what Miss Sloger's going to do is she's going to go through and she's going to read it through once, and then you need to make sure that you read it through yourself the second time. So starting in P1. In the United States, government is in 3 main levels: federal, state, and local. One type of local government is a municipality. A municipality may be a city, town, or village. Municipalities are usually led by city council, which is a group of elected officers. The head of the city council is the mayor. Many municipalities also have a city manager who is in charge of the daily operations of the city. Municipalities provide services to the citizens, such as police protection, fire protection, and street management. The center of the municipal government is called City Hall, which may be one building, or in large cities, many different buildings. So we can't forget to read down here because this might have some important information in it for us. Typical municipal services. We have police, fire, emergency services such as ambulances, emergency management for hurricanes and earthquakes, which we don't have to worry too much about those in Michigan. Planning and zoning, which decides how and where the city will grow. Transportation, such as buses and subways. Parks and recreation. Utilities, such as electricity and water. Municipal court, which decides cases based on the laws of the city. Public works, which takes care of streets and sewers and collects trash. Economic development, which encourages tourism and businesses. Tax collection, library, and housing. So now what we're going to do is we're going to come up here to our Q&A, which is question and answer. They ask us a question and we need to provide them with an answer. So our 4 questions are: who is the head of the city council? What is the center of municipal government? What does economic development encourage? And what are the levels of government in the U.S.? So we're just going to do question number 1 together, and if you'll notice, these spaces are really small, so you don't have to worry about writing a question stem for these ones. Now, I do remember reading about city council, and I remember it wasn't in the first paragraph, but I think maybe it was in the second, so why don't we check there first? Municipalities are usually led by city council. That's what our question's asking, is about city council, which is a group of elected officers. The head of the city council, that's our question, is the mayor. So it wants to know who is the head. Our head is the mayor. So all I'm going to do right now is I put a box around it and I'm going to write the mayor. And that's all I'm going to do for that one. Then you guys are going to put your answers for 2, 3, and 4. And I'm going to real fast help you with the word search, but I'm only going to do 1 for you. So if we take a look at this, it says circle each of the words on the list in the puzzle. Words can go up, down, backwards, or diagonally. So here, Miss Sloger's just going to go for the first word, which is right here, municipal. And she's going to just look for an M in here. Here's an M, but I don't see any U's around it. So we're going to keep going. Here's another M, but I don't see any U's around it. Ooh, here's an M, and I've got a U and an N. Oop, it looks like that's my word. So then I'm just going to go ahead and I'm going to circle all of the letters that I need. We just go to the pal part. And then once I have that word, I'm just going to cross it off my list. So go ahead. Finish the rest of the questions, have fun with the word search, and good luck.